Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fashion Designs. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So today I am here with a new video, and in this video you guys can see there are very beautiful locket designs. You guys can also say pendant designs, and I hope you like these designs and this video. And these pendant designs are artificial, not are of a diamond. Um, and this pendants contains stone and looking very beautiful and elegant. And I hope you like the video. If you like the designs, so please like my video and share it with your friends, and give your feedback about this video in comment section. If you guys are new at my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos, and tell me in comment section what type of videos you want, so I will make that type of videos for all of you. So stay connected with me and tell me about this video, and give marks to this video. So if you want to purchase this type of pendants, so you will visit near the market. You guys can easily avail this type of pendants. So I hope you all got about this video. So take care of yourself, your family, your belongings. We met in another video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.